Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks, man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, patreon.com/shadesandtrades for trade alerts. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do some butt math for you guys. Some butt math, that's right, some booty math. Okay, jokes aside, IONQ stock sitting at 58.40 as of this video. By the time you see this video, it might be Monday, Sunday, who knows. But my thesis has not changed. I told you guys, I've been pounding the table. Ever since IONQ, Rigetti, Quantum, D-Wave, right? There's a guy in my Discord, he said he loves the D-Wave. He loves QBTS, QBT, and the many other quantum stocks out there. So I still maintain my price target of 100 with IONQ and all-time highs, previous highs I should say, for the other quantum stocks, be it Rigetti or like. So I think I believe, if I recall correctly, there are two catalysts coming in June. We have the QBTS Investor Day on the 1st, and of course we have a European conference with regards to quantum as well. So I think we're just getting started here. I don't know why people are being so pessimistic, and I don't understand. This is the Trump bull market. You buy the dip, it goes back up, rinse and repeat. Don't overthink it. It always will be opportunity with this guy. And of course, as always, Trump's bull market means you got to take the profit and run, right? Take the profit and run. That's kind of, his market has been very flipper friendly, right? You get in and you get the hell out with the profits. You don't want to be sitting there with a position and then it comes back down to your average, and then you're like, man, I should have taken the $3,000 profit. Now I have to wait for it to go back up. And then it goes back up again, and you think maybe it's going to go to the moon, and then it comes back down to your average. You don't want to do that. Really, with this guy, you just want to take the profit, and then it goes back down. He'll come out with another, press release, whatever, something from Washington, and boom, it goes up again. So today you're getting a taste of what's to come in June. I still believe those catalysts in June will send it back at least to 60s, 50s, and the other quantum stocks will follow. Keep in mind that IONQ itself is not the one getting any awards here from the U.S. Let me check here. I don't think I saw the name here. I don't think IONQ's name appeared, but it doesn't matter. They're going to run because everything quantum related runs together when anything within that sector gets news of any kind. The Trump administration is awarding $2 billion in grants to 9 quantum companies. So there you go. 9 of them. But I don't think... does that include IONQ? Because I don't see IONQ. I have not seen IONQ here up here. The deal has not been done, by the way. It still has to be completed. Everyone's excited about quantum because it's the next big thing. It is the next big thing. Quantum is we're still early, believe it or not. Yes, I get that IONQ was at like $1 not too long ago. A lot of these quantum stocks were like at dollars. They were so cheap back then, right? IONQ, you can go back in time not too long ago, like what, 2 years ago? It was at $6 in 2024, right? And I know you're going to look and be like, man, it's already ran so much. But we're just getting started, right? NVIDIA was at like $1 like a long time ago. It was at $1. And when it ran to $10, you would have said the same thing. Oh, no, it's already ran so much. No way it can go to 100, right? Well, it can, and it did. And then it went to 1,000. And then, so I think do not sleep on IONQ. Do not sleep on the quantum stocks. They still got plenty of fuel ahead for many years to come. I think these stocks, along with AI stocks, are going to be the focus, and space stocks seemingly as well. But of course, space stocks require AI, and they're in the future going to require quantum. So I think the real focus should be on quantum and AI stocks. Like anything that is what it is. It's the AI revolution, but eventually we will get the quantum revolution. The time will come, and it will be groundbreaking, and quantum stocks are going to soar. more than they already are. That is my opinion. That is what I believe. I think we're just going to get a rinse and repeat of what happened with AI, right? AI stocks, nobody cared about them, but once everything started getting hype around AI and the potential, and then people started realizing the potential of AI, holy crap, have a lot of AI stocks run huge. Again, I believe we are still early. If you want to play it safe, you buy the quantum ETF. I think that's going to go to like 300, 500, right? QTUM is the quantum ETF that keeps track of the sector, and you can see it just keeps going up over the long term. A very safe way to play quantum without having to worry about whether one of them, goes under, right? If you buy the ETF, you get exposure to all of them, and it goes up over the long term, and you make your money. And I believe this will go to 300, 500, kind of like the semiconductor ETF is at like some ridiculous number, I'm sure. Let me check. So that's just what I believe. I mean, it's just kind of rinse and repeat, right? Something new comes out. Eventually, everyone gets excited and hype, and then it runs huge, and then it dumps huge, and then everyone's like, oh no, it's over, and then rinse and repeat, right? Semiconductors here dumped, oh no, it's over, and then it ran from 358 to 581, and it's sitting at 569. So, like, it's a perfect example of what I'm trying to get at. I think we're still early on quantum. And I believe the quantum ETF is perfect for your kid, maybe your wife or something, maybe for yourself. I don't know. It depends on your situation. But it's perfect if you want the quantum exposure without having to worry about whether one of them goes under, right? You would hate to buy RGTI and then it goes under. It goes to zero. It's the one that fails and you're just screwed, right? Right? You're just like wishing you had bought with the other ones or whatever. So there you go. If you want to play it safe, the quantum ETF is the way to go. If you want to pick stocks, I mean, it's up to you which one you want to go with. But I think QBTS, so far at least, QBTS, RGTI, and IONQ can't go wrong with those. You can't go wrong with the top dogs. That is it for the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this analysis, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys. Risk is managed, I let it dance. If it breaks below